Nestled amidst the lush Serra das Cabras in Campinas, São Paulo, Casa O Bem stands as a testament to harmonious coexistence between architecture and the natural environment. Conceived by Rodrigo Vilas Boas Arquitetos, the house was designed to capitalize on the breathtaking panoramic views while respecting the privacy of its occupants and the surrounding landscape. The steep slope of the 46,700 square meter plot presented a unique challenge, but also an opportunity to create a home that seamlessly integrated with its surroundings. The architects carefully considered the orientation, taking advantage of the south wind for natural ventilation and shielding the house from the harsh sun and rain. The elevated gourmet area ensured optimal air circulation while preserving the stunning vistas. The entrance hall served as a grand gesture, inviting visitors to immediately immerse themselves in the breathtaking panorama. The design carefully balanced full and empty spaces, ensuring that every room enjoyed unobstructed views of the surrounding nature. A single, seemingly invisible pillar further enhanced the sense of openness and connection to the landscape. The house was designed to accommodate a family, featuring integrated living spaces that fostered a sense of togetherness. Every detail was meticulously crafted to enhance the experience of those who lived there or visited. The use of raw materials, such as Roman travertine, Sucara wood, Molito stone, and ribbed concrete, complemented the natural beauty of the surroundings and created a timeless aesthetic. Casa O Bem is more than just a house, it is a sanctuary of nature. The architect's unwavering commitment to preserving the panoramic views and integrating the structure with the landscape is a testament to their deep appreciation for the natural world. The name Casa O Bem, which translates to the good house, is a fitting tribute to this harmonious coexistence between human ingenuity and the beauty of nature. And there you have it, folks. Casa O Bem, a stunning architectural masterpiece that seamlessly blends modern design with the breathtaking natural beauty of Serra das Cabras. A testament to Rodrigo Vilas Boas Arquitetos' vision and skill, this home is more than just a structure. It's a sanctuary where the beauty of nature and the elegance of architecture come together in perfect harmony. If you were captivated by this incredible design, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architectural wonders. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, keep exploring the world of architecture and design.